So how I do assemblies in Fusion 360 is you'd bring in your components obviously, and then you select one point on the part you want to move and then another point on the part you want to move it to, and then you just right click and hit align, if I could, there, and there's your part. And it works the same with bearings. You can bring this in and you just move it to the orientation you want. You can try to use the align command to get it where it's supposed to be, but sometimes it rotates in the wrong direction, so I find it easier just to manually move it. And then same thing, you select both points and then align. And then it works the same with spacers and standoffs too. You just bring this in, rotate it, pull it out, and then align. Yeah, that's pretty much it.